In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Google Play Store on Windows 11 using an Android emulator. This method is one of the easiest ways to bring your favorite Android apps to your Windows device. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, we'll need an Android emulator, which essentially is a program that mimics the Android operating system on your computer. This allows you to run Android apps directly on your Windows 11 PC. There are several popular options to choose from, including BlueStacks, LD Player, and Android Studio Emulator. Each has its own unique features and uses, but they all have one thing in common. They support Google Play Store right out of the box. To begin, you'll need to download an Android emulator from their official websites. Just type the name into your browser, and you should find the download link quite easily. Once you've downloaded the installation file, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your computer. The installation process might take a few minutes, so be patient and grab a cup of coffee while you wait. After the installation is complete, it's time to launch the emulator. Simply locate the shortcut on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu, then double-click to open it. Depending on the emulator you've chosen, you might be greeted with a setup wizard or introduction screen. Just follow any prompts to finalize your emulator's setup. Now here's where it gets interesting. To access the Google Play Store, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows you to access all the apps and services associated with Google. You can use an existing Google account if you already have one, or you can create a new one if necessary. Just enter your email and password when prompted, and if all goes well, you should be signed in without any issues. With your account set up, navigate to the Google Play Store app within the emulator. The app might already be pinned to the home screen, or you might need to look in the app drawer. Once you've located it, click to open, and voila, you're now in the Google Play Store on your Windows 11 and 11 PC. From here, you can browse and install any Android apps just as you would on your phone. Simply search for the app you want, click install, and follow any additional prompts to add it to your device. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring Android functionality to your Windows 11 machine using an Android emulator. Whether you're looking to play games, use social media apps, or run productivity tools, installing Google Play Store on Windows 11 has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy app exploring.